My name is Amanpreet Walia, and I'm going to present my final project for the reinforcement learning course. As a brief overview of this project, I have used generative adversarial imitation learning for the talks environment. Let's dive deeper into the details for this project. Let's first get a brief overview of what is imitation learning for this project. As an environment, I'm using Talks, a racing car simulator, for the imitation learning. In order to first generate expert-like policy for talks, we can either manually drive the car in the talks environment and record the trajectory, or use an RL agent to learn an expert-like policy. Manually driving the car is quite time-intensive and monotonous process. Therefore, expert trajectories are obtained by training an RL agent with deep deterministic policy gradient method for 3000 episodes of training to generate expert-like behavior. As you can see from the visualization in the expert performance, that the learned policy is doing pretty well in driving the car in this simulated environment. These expert trajectories are then recorded to train the imitation learning agent. For this particular project, I'm using generative adversarial imitation learning due to its faster learning time as it skips the RL learning in the inner loop. Before going towards the imitation learning, let's briefly discuss the DDPG algorithm and the reward function used to train the RL agent. DDPG is an actor-critic based algorithm which uses four networks, an online actor-critic network, and one time-delayed version of it to learn a stable policy. As for the reward function, we want to maximize the longitudinal velocity of the car at the same time minimizing the transverse velocity. Also, we want to penalize the car if it is moving away from the center line. Therefore, the reward function shown on the screen accurately depicts all these constraints as per which we want to drive the car along the track. As you can see on the screen, these are the demonstrations of some trajectories derived from expert-like policy learned by the RL agent, which will be used for training the imitation learning agent. After recording the expert-like trajectories, we begin training our imitation learning agent using Gale algorithm. For Gale, we have two networks as a part of GAN. The first is the policy network, which acts as generator for generating the actions for states sampled from the expert trajectory. And second is discriminator network, which tries to compare the state action pairs obtained from the expert trajectory to the one generated from the generator network. The main task of the generator network is to learn a policy such that the discriminator is unable to distinguish between which distribution this policy is coming from, whether expert or the imitator. In this way, the actions derived from the policy network become closer and closer to the expert-like policy. Now let's have a look at performance of our imitation learning agent on the training track. All the training for the imitation learning agent is done on the track called Alpine 1. As can be seen from the visualization that the learned policy is very close to expert-like policy. Using the learned policy, we're able to finish multiple laps of this track successfully. The main reason for choosing this track for learning is to cover large part of the state space owing to steep curves in this track. Besides testing our learned policy for the imitation learning agent on the training track, the learned policy is also evaluated qualitatively on other track which serve as a validation for the generalization of the policy learned. We chose a simple track named A Speedway for evaluating our imitation policy at first. As this track provides a simple track curve, the imitation agent is able to make several laps of this track successfully. We evaluated the learned policy for the imitation learning agent on two other tracks as well, where we are also able to successfully complete multiple laps, as you can see on the screen. For this particular track named Alpine 2, which is considerably more complex as compared to our other evaluation track, the learned policy for the imitation learning agent is unable to complete even a single lap. In order to generalize the imitation policy towards more tracks, we need to add expert trajectories coming from more tracks as well to the learning set of the imitation learning agent. Thank you.